Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to actually be working on the 6.0 a little bit. So, I have these steps. It's actually the same thing that's on the white truck and the blue truck and everything. These come off of a 2016 F250 or 350 Platinum. So, we're going to work on putting these on the 6.0 today. We don't have a whole lot of sunlight left. And we got to go do some other stuff, but we're going to see if these will bolt up, and if so, we're going to go ahead and get them swapped today. So, as you can see, we're pulling the truck in right now, and we'll get up under it and see what it is, what all we have to do. Alright guys, so we got the old step pulled off out there, and surprisingly, fit right on. Now, these steps, a guy that used to live over here in a rental trailer that Mr. J had, he works at a Ford dealership, and they pulled these off of a brand new truck, and he sent me a message, hey, you know, you want these? He thought they might work on the white truck, but these Super Duties have a flat pinch weld, whereas the white truck curves back up under, so they wouldn't work. But turns out, a couple years later, here I have a Super Duty, so kind of works out perfectly. But these were, I believe, 15 mil bolts, if I remember correctly, all the way back. Okay, so they're actually 13s, is what he was saying, but 13s all the way back. We did have to tweak these two brackets back here to get them to work right, and it's a little droopy. Seems like it's turned down a little bit, but we can try to take a floor jack and stuff and kind of straighten that back up, turn it back up, whatever. So now we're going to run over to the other side. That one doesn't have any damage on it. This one here, I believe what he said was the only thing was wrong is it's got a little dent right here, a little right here, and then the plastic on top is pushed down a little bit. It's not a big deal to me. One thing I do like about these, I will show you a bit of a comparison here. As you see how these kind of stick out. With the body, they don't stick out much. And then these over here, which is, I believe, the factory one, you can see how it kind of sticks out. But these 6.7 steps are wider. So pretty even with the rocker there. Nice height. Just step right up in here. So anyway, run over here to the other side, get started on it, and go ahead and get it swapped. But they do have 4 bolts on each bracket holding them in, so not too terribly bad. Alright guys, so I brought the truck up here to the house, moved the 300 up over here. We need to put some other stuff back in the shop, but I figured I'd go ahead and show you our steps before we go do some other stuff. That'll be another video. I've been working on some stuff here in the shop, but anyway, let's hop up out of here. So I will say, just stick my feet out, hang over a little bit, but not bad, because I've got into the habit of stepping up on the step before getting out of the truck and not sliding down my leather seats, and that's why I want to keep steps on here. That way I don't mess up those seats prematurely. But anyway, let's take a step back here and take a look. So there they are. You can see they don't hang down too low, not any lower than the other ones. And again, as far as them sticking out, not much at all. They're nice and wide. I like that for having big feet. As you can see, they line up perfectly with the rocker, so makes them pretty nice. Now I will say these are a lot more sturdy than the ones we pulled off of here, so that's always a plus. But as far as stepping up in here, they seem to be much much more solid. So it makes me pretty happy there. But I guess, but anyways, like I was saying, if y'all ever wondered about the 6.7 style steps on a 6.0, here you go. Fit nice, fit perfectly. No modification at all, just unbolt the other ones, slap these on, and this is for crew cab, obviously, but they fit perfect. So again, no modification, no drilling, no cutting, nothing like we went through with the white truck. So I'm pretty happy with them. Like I said, a lot more sturdy than the 6.0 steps. A lot wider. Again, it's pretty nice. I have big feet. I wear a size 14 shoe, so makes it pretty nice to have a little bit more step pad there. And then obviously I like the look of these better than the other ones, because my other ones, I think I took a before picture. I'll throw that up here on the screen right now. But with those, as y'all could see, they have just a long strip of black plastic that runs all the way down, whereas these have the kind of divided little deals with the Ford step plate back here. So, you know, it's just kind of one of them things. A little bit more of a modern touch. Y'all know we have the 6.4, 6.7 style tow mirrors on this truck. We got the upgraded tails with the OLED tails. We got matching headlights that are kind of like the aluminum 6.7 style headlights with the DRLs in them, all that kind of stuff. So it's just kind of nice. A little bit of, what is it? Modernizing, I guess is the word for that. But anyway, I mean, again, y'all can kind of see them here. They're real dusty, real dirty, because they've been sitting in the shop for, like I said, probably 6 years, 5-6 years, something like that, maybe even longer. But we'll get them cleaned up. Shouldn't be a big deal. It's just dust. And there they are. So y'all let me know down below what y'all think about them. Again, eventually I'd like to get some amp steps on this thing, but for the time being, these are free, so can't argue with a free upgrade. And again, I know some folks would say, well, just take them off, you know, you don't need them, whatever. And yes, I don't need them, but it is nice to have, because again, leather seats. This one from the previous owners already kind of seen some wear, as you can tell from side to side. People just sliding out of them. The foam in this seat is pretty bad from people just sliding in and out. It's not a good thing to do with leather, especially if you don't take care of leather properly. So I'm trying to preserve what I already have. I know they need recovered, but the longer I can make these last, the happier I'll be to not have to go through the process of reupholstering them. And I think the covers are like $1,000 with foam and everything. So anyway, it's just kind of nice to preserve these seats as much as possible, you know, and everything like that. So anyway, guys, like I said, there they are. Let me know what y'all think about them. Do y'all have anything else in mind that you would like to see on the 6.0 here? If so, drop a comment down below. Let me know. What are some other like modernizing things y'all would like to see? I'd like to redo this wheel at some point. I'd like to get a different radio on this thing at some point. The door panels, I need to get a new door panel because this one is cracked. Here, you can see there, and right here. That is because this seat sits crooked and your leg kind of sits between the door panel and the seat. This was already here from the previous owner, but this crack happened about, because this was already bent. This was bent in when I bought the truck, and then it cracked probably about a year later. So I do need to get a new door panel here, but I think I want to keep with this style. I don't know if I want to do the 6.7 style because I like the style of these. The wood grain matches the dash for one, and I kind of like this dash. I don't want to do all the dash swaps and all that other mess. But anyway, guys, that's probably going to be a wrap for this video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.